how to set the press volume buttons to zoom in or zoom out in camera on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, tap on the settings icon at the top. Then in the camera settings page, we scroll down to the general section in here. Then we go down and tap on shooting methods. Next, tap on press volume buttons too. And from the pop-up, select zoom in or out. Now tap on the back key to go back to your camera. And you can see that when I press on the volume up or volume down, it will zoom out or zoom in. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.